Hi. You probably think that you logged on right now to watch a cute cat video, but there's something you should know. Cat videos are harmful to you.
I'm gonna log on and watch some cat videos. I love watching cat videos. Look at these cats. These cats talk. These cats are fat cats. Cats attack. Cats talking. Oh, these are funny cats. Look at this cat. He is dancing. This cat is This one's about fat cats. These cats are talking. Look at it. What the hell?
What you've just seen is the effects that cat videos can put upon your mind. It's a condition called brain melt. It is more than 800% more harmful than drug use, even the hard drugs. Cat videos are a virus upon this earth that must be stamped out. What you're about to see might be too sensitive for some viewers. It's the full effects of cat video viewership. It might happen to your brother, your sister, you.
Videos. I love to watch cat videos. And cats dancing. Cat videos. Cat videos.
Remember, cat videos are now the leading cause of mental retardation. And if you know somebody that is addicted to cat videos, seek them immediate help and lots of psychiatric care. Thank you, and good night.